Apple cider vinegar is packed with medicinal properties, which explains why it has become a popular home remedy for millions of people around the world over recent years. With that said, many people are unaware that it can actually promote weight loss, prevent obesity, and burn body fat. And that is the topic of this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. When consumed on a regular basis, apple cider vinegar has been shown to be effective in helping users lose weight over time. This is due to the high acetic acid content that it contains. In fact, multiple studies have linked apple cider vinegar consumption with lower levels of body fat. This is especially true when combined with a restrictive diet. Subjects in one study witnessed a decrease in hip circumference, a reduction in triglyceride levels, and an increase in HDL cholesterol levels after consuming apple cider vinegar. So for those looking to shed a few pounds, this is definitely something to consider, just as long as it's approved by your physician. With that said, just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. But aside from helping with weight loss, apple cider vinegar can provide several other impressive health benefits as well. Some examples include: it can lower blood sugar levels, improve blood fat levels, help with digestion, promote healthy skin and hair, boost energy levels, boost your immune system, prevent muscle cramps, and reduce cold symptoms. We've talked more about these benefits in a separate video here on our channel. But real quick, if you don't mind, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And you might as well go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Hopefully what you learned in this video was useful, and it goes to show just how beneficial apple cider vinegar can be when it comes to improving your overall health. If so, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you want to dive even deeper, we do have a full guide on our website. I'll drop a link to it right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.